Hi guys, it's me again, Nicole, your trusted Bulacan Realtor. And for today guys, it's just a very quick update on the inventory of Bella Vista Phase 2. I'm so excited to announce that we have Block 1 and Block 10 newly opened today. Kaya naman guys, gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung mapa para makita nyo na merong very few 80 square meter lot at yung iba po malalaki na nasa 110 square meter. So guys, as promised, 'di ba? Sabi ko I'll show you the map. Ito muna, zoom ko muna siya kasi yung Block 1 na yan nakaka-open lang today. Ito kasi yung entrada ni Phase 2. So si Phase 1, Phase 2 magkarugtong. Si Phase 2 ay annex ni Phase 1. Iisa lang yung entrance gate dito ha. So bali papasok kay Phase 2, magkakaroon siya ng entrada dito. Pero hindi yan yung separate guardhouse ha. Entrada niya yan kasi ito yung amenity area ni Phase 1. Itong Block 1 na to guys, kaka-open niya lang. So, can you imagine, kapag dito ka nakakuha, yung ano dito, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung available pa kasi meron ditong na sold out na kagad kahit kaka-open lang. So, ito, pag daan mo sa entrada ni Phase 2, itong mga slot na to guys, na mga inner pa or possible meron pa dyang corner or end, available tong Block 1 na to guys. This Block 1, kung nakakita nyo, walang katalikuran, along perimeter fence. Diba napakaganda ng pwesto niya? Kaya pag ikaw nakakuha dyan, you are so lucky. Ay, bibigyan ko rin kayo ng ano niyan, idea about sa total contract price niyan. So, as mentioned guys, diba, sa mga blocks na to, ayan, yung 1-1, hindi na yun available. So, meron tayong Block 1 lot kapag green available. So, dahil kaka-open niya lang guys, meron ka pang chance na makapili. So, this is the time for you to contact me as soon as possible as you see this. Baka sakaling talagang matsyempohan mo yung magandang slot, diba, na mapipili mo dyan. So, green yung available. Block 1, lot 2, available guys. So, kung gusto mo, minimum lot lang 80. Pag Betina, 4.7 siya doon kasi nga prime lots yan. Iba ang price niyan eh, di ba? So, si Beatrice ay 5M lang doon. But still, it's very affordable considering the location niya na napakalapit niya sa entrada at amenities ni Phase 1. Sobrang lapit niya sa Phase 1. Tapos, kung gusto mo ng malalaking lot area guys, so may 100, 110, 111, 105. Ayan po, at least may idea ka na sa total contract price niya, diba? Kung gusto mo ng sample competition ng specific block and lot na yan, just contact me, you know naman, may Viber WhatsApp number, diba? 0917-1142422, mention Bella Vista, at ibibigay ko kaagad sa inyo guys, sa request natin yung sample competition nitong Block 1 na napakaganda ng pwesto sa mapa. Tapos guys, diba, ito yung Block 1, pinakita ko kayo na, diba, ito Block 1, yan, diba? Entrada. Yung ibang block na to, sold out na yan. Sold out na yan. Block 9, sold out na. At ito, kaka-open lang katabi ng ano. Ito guys, oh. Si Block 10, itong Block 10 na to, along perimeter fence, wala ka ng katalikuran, katapat mo. Ito kasi yung amenity area ni Phase 2, nasa gitna. Covered court, parks and playground, or hall, if I'm not mistaken. And then this is the swimming pool. May swimming pool din po sa Phase 2. So, imagine mo kung ito yung mapili mong block and lot. Ayan o. Yung ito parang wala na siya sa slot. Sold out na. So, ito o. Ito. Yan, ayan, ba diba? Ang lapit mo sa amenity area at swimming pool. This is also considered prime lots, guys, ha, pag block 10. So, tignan natin kung ano yung kanyang total contract price for block 10. Guys, ayan si Block 10, nakakabukas lang o kaya makakapamili ka po. Block 10 lot 1, 2, 3, 4. Available siya guys. So 107 yung lote nito. 106 may 80, 106 may 114. Ito yung price niya kung Betina 5.2, 4.6 lang oh. 4.6 si Betina kung 80 square meter, 4.9 naman si Beatrice kung 80 square meter. Syempre, pag mas malaki yung lot area, iba din yung total contract price niya. So guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Kaka-open lang nito ngayon ng Block 1 at Block 10 na both prime blocks sa Phase 2. Phase 2 ng Bella Vista. So guys, if I were you, pipili na kagad ako ng favorite kong slot at yan ay re-reserve na natin kasi 100% online reservation to secure the slot para yan ibablock. Kasi ano to, real-time inventory. So, ibablock na natin yan under your name kapag may napili ka na guys na block and lot. All I need is your ID and I just need to know your income. That's it. And the proof of transfer sa account ni, direct lahat sa account ni Dolmar Land Incorporated, ang ating developer. So guys, good luck. I'm so excited for you. Sana makapili kayo ng magandang slot na perfect for you and your family. So just contact me my Viber WhatsApp number there, guys, 0917-114-2422. Mention Bella Vista. So guys, ayan na ha. Napakita ko na sa inyo yung mapa, pati yung available natin na inventory na kakabukas lang sa Bella Vista Phase 2. Malapit sa entrada, tapos malapit sa amenity area. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Mabilis lang na mauubos yan. No walk-ins po dito kahit nasa abroad ka. 100% online reservation lang tayo. So all you need to do is to contact me directly. Wait for my reply kung ikaw ay based abroad. Magkaiba yung oras natin, di ba guys? Yun naman yung Viber and WhatsApp ko, nakikita nyo naman, 0917-114-2422. Siyempre, para naman sa online reservation na gagawin natin, very smooth lang yung process at kailangan natin ID mo proof of income, di ba guys? So, visit my website. It is www.NicoleShane, that's my name, your trusted Bulacan.com. Yan, visit my website guys. And of course, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para kapag may mga bagong updates sa Bella Vista, ikaw ay laging una kasi kapag mabilis ka, ikaw yung nakakakuha ng magagandang slot, magagandang spot, at nakaka-avail ng mga promo ng Bella Vista at promo ko rin mismo. Gusto mo ba ng 7% discount or ng 5% discount? Kung paano yan, you just have to contact me directly. Ay aking Viber and WhatsApp number, guys. So I hope to see you all soon. Again, my name is Nicole, your trusted Bulacan Realtor. Thank you!